Hi everyone, it's Amy and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to take you guys along while I get ready. So without further ado, let's just start this video. So I'm just gonna start with my normal makeup routine, and I think I did a video on that already. If I did, I'm just gonna, put it anywhere up here, I think. And I'm just gonna start with priming my face and just take every single step it takes to get my normal makeup routine ready, and then I'm gonna switch over to hair and get this little mess ready as well. If you like glowy, dewy makeup like I do, you should get this Becca Backlight Priming Filter Primer, because look at this. I don't know, I just like it, how much of a glow it gives your skin. So as you just saw, I applied my makeup and I just wanted to show you this glowiness this primer gives your face. So I'm just gonna come up close and show you it. So the makeup is ready. I'm just gonna move on to doing my hair. And that's basically it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to follow me around on my little YouTube journey, subscribe to my channel, and I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. And until then, I hope you're having an amazing day and an amazing week, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!